how to log into Snapchat without verification code. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can log into Snapchat without a verification code. So just make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, if you want to log into Snapchat without verification code, there are only two ways in which you can do so. The first is if you haven't turned on two-factor authentication. So if your 2FA is enabled, then it will send you a code. The other is even if your two-factor authentication is turned on, you can still log in without a code if your account is saved to your Snapchat app. And to help prove this to you, I'm going to go ahead and then simply open up my Snapchat application here, and currently you can see that my account is saved over here. That is why you're being able to see my name. I can just tap the login option. It will not ask me for a code or anything, right? And this is if I have even two-factor authentication turned on but my account is saved. The other is if you don't have a two-factor authentication turned on, then you can just go to switch account here. You can simply try to enter the email address and the password of the account that you're trying to log in, and then you can tap on the login button to do so, and then you'll be successfully logged in without a specific code. So I hope this video helped you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.